What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy KP coming back at y'all another video. And today, I know there's been a long video, that people been waiting on, because I said I was gonna drop it a while ago, but I hadn't dropped it yet. But today I'm gonna give y'all this video on what modifications are done to my 2022 BMW M3 competition. So for starters, one, y'all can see the front bumper is not the regular bumper that comes on the M3s. This is the Adro bumper. So basically the company Adro, they do like front bumper replacements. You get like a carbon lip. Basically they got like a whole little kit. Now y'all can see my lip is gone. The lip got crushed within 12 hours of me having the car. I won't used to the low life. I ain't gonna lie, this shit is expensive too, because the bumper alone, the bumper with the lip, that shit was probably like $5K. I'm not buying another lip. That shit cooked. It ain't for me. But if you do get it, it will come with a front lip, or you can get it by itself. Too. As far as the wheels, still got factory wheels. I know she dirty right now, but it do got factory wheels. But I do have a spacer, so on the front there's a 10 mil on the front, on the back is a 15. So yeah, that basically just to show y'all how low the car is too. There are lowering springs on here. There's H&R springs, adjustable springs. Let me show y'all where the Fitbit is. I do want to put a bigger wheel when I get aftermarket wheels. I will go wider on the wheel. But if I do decide to keep these, I could just go with a bigger spacer, but it's not really anything pressing to me. And I'll show y'all the back. This is the back. The fitment on the back is pressure. Even with the lowering springs, like it's lowered perfectly. So that's pretty much what's done with that. Do got a carbon spoiler on the back. Not too much like that's done to the car, but I am stage 2 tuned. So I have a custom tune. It's catless downpipe. My catless downpipe is Mastery Art and Design, or I think it's like, yeah, Mastery Art and Design. So catless downpipe. I also have, yes, like I said, stage 2. I am tuned by Mikey STI. So if y'all don't know who he is, on Instagram, y'all go look him up, Mikey STI. He's known for having some of the fastest B58s. But yeah, man, I'm tuned by him. And I also have a custom exhaust. So my custom exhaust setup is I have a double H pipe. So this car sounds crazy. Now I'm about to start it up. It's not gonna sound too bad right now, because I don't have my cold start turned on. It's right now it's turned off within the tune, so it's not gonna sound crazy loud. But just to give y'all a quick little sample of what my car sounds like right now, I'll just show you. All right, man. So as y'all can see, hold on real quick, because I know this shit gonna tweak out. All right, so right now, this is with the valves closed. This is with the valves open. So I'm gonna set the phone up so y'all can just hear the difference in what the car sounds like. And it's cold as hell right now, so this car is loud as shit right now. So that's what the car sound like right now with the tune. Not with the tune, well, with the double H pipe and plus the catless downpipes. This car is way louder, way louder. But right now, I don't have it. I don't have it obnoxious. You know what I'm saying? I live in Germany, so I'm not even finna have these people calling the police on me, trying to keep the peace around here. Oh, and then also, I do have a my plate holder. My plate holder is by Twist and Fix. Twist and Fix, y'all watch this video, y'all see this clip. Man, y'all, you know what I'm saying, y'all tap in, your boy trying to get a little sponsorship or something, man. But yeah, man. Oh yeah, and then I forgot, also got a diffuser. Little diffuser, nothing crazy. Thought about going carbon on the diffuser, but it just wasn't anything that's like pressing for me. I'm not super pressed with carbon. Nothing that I really desire too much. But yeah, man, that's pretty much everything that I have done to the car right now. I do plan to get a magnetic front. I do plan to get a front plate, like magnetic holder. So that should be coming soon. I'll have to get the bumper taken off, get the magnets put in. That way I can just slap it on there, take it on and off how I want to. Whenever I want to make content or whatever, because they be tripping out here. But you know what I'm saying, right now we thugging with it in the window. My tune is currently making me push 650, around 650 to the wheel. But I'm also E50 tune, so with the E50 tune, obviously I can put E85 in the car. So I'm pushing anywhere between 7 to 750. I don't know the exact number because the car is in dyno, but I am pushing 7 to 750. It's nothing that's crazy, man. It ain't nothing that's too crazy. I personally have not pushed the car to its limit, but and I don't really plan to, not anytime soon, because it's winter time. I got winter tires on here, so it's not anything that I'm pressed to do right now. But summertime, we have a lot in store. I'll even say springtime, we have a lot in store. New wheels are gonna be coming. Thinking about going with like a beadlock wheel setup. The car is gonna be getting wrapped. I already got tint as well. I forgot to mention that. The front window has like a very, very, very light tint on it. You can't even tell that it's a tint, but it's just like something to keep the light out the car, keep the car a little bit cooler. And in the back is tinted 5%. Yeah, so it's really nothing crazy done. I am thinking about, I've heard it's not good to do it, but I thought about doing front mount intakes, only because I just want the sound. But I heard that it's not good. Y'all let me know down below if y'all have front mount intakes, or if y'all had any issues if y'all do have front mount intakes. It's just something I thought about doing, but I don't know. But yeah, man, that's pretty much what's done to the car right now. Hope y'all stay locked in to the channel for the build. I appreciate everybody that's been here since the Scat Pack days, for me getting that car wrapped and everything. But yeah, we going bigger and better with this one. And I would give y'all a little rev to like show y'all a little bit more with this car. But again, I told you I'm in Germany. It's like 9 a.m. I'm not trying to disturb the peace. So yeah, man. Petty M3. Oh yeah, you know, got to keep the car seat in the back. You know what I'm saying? This is completely a dad mobile. I'm actually missing one car seat right here, but this is the best way. Y'all got a family or something, you know what I'm saying? Just tell your wife, tell your girlfriend, whatever. Tell her this is the perfect car for you to, you know what I'm saying, to have as a family car, especially if it's just like 3 of y'all, or you know what I'm saying, if it's 4 of y'all, just the perfect car. You know, you got a nice amount of trunk space and all that. But yeah, man, you can always have this a family car. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it with what's going on with the car. But again, I appreciate y'all, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, especially if y'all messing with the build. And till next time, man, I will tap in with y'all again. We out.
Man, hit the motherfucking button. Uncle, hit the button. fuck is you do? You want me to get out, nigga? You want me to hit for you?